Sup, Kid Too Technical. I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, we have another product from Syncwire. It's called the car mount holder. It says simple, superb, and reliable. So this is what it looks like on the back. This is for your car. It's a car mount holder. So we're gonna unbox this. I want to say thank you once again for them sending me out their products to review and try out. Let's put this aside. This is the mount. This would go on your dashboard. This would go under the mount. This is the part that holds the phone. See what else you get. Okay, and this here, this one, I know what this is. This is if you want to mount if you want to mount this and this to your air conditioner vents. You can mount it to your air conditioner vents this way, and this connector is if you want to just mount it to your dashboard. So let's put it together. We can get it put together. So you want to unscrew that. Then you want to place this ball to here like so. And you pull this off so it can be suctioned down to your dashboard. I will show you guys that in a minute, but this is what this concoction looks like. So you can adjust to expand it. You push out, and we're gonna put my iPhone in here for now. And you push in to mount it. You push in to mount it. You push out, and it will sit on your dashboard like so. Like it'll sit on your dashboard like so. So I'm going to go outside and record me setting it up in my car. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Now I am in my car. So this is the mount up here, and this is the one for your air vent. So I'll show you what it looked like if you want to use this on your air vent. So you would have to remove it from this part here. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like if I attach it to the if I put the ball on the mount, and we want to put it in our air vent. So basically you can hang it up here like so. See if we can get this on here right. Boom, just like that. You could put it up there if you want to just have your phone on your air vent, and then you will place your phone in the inside of your mount like so. This is what it'll look like. So rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.